Welcome back, class. I'm going to walk you through a line of credit example today, and then we're going to, so we'll use this spreadsheet right here, so you want to open that up. I would also like to finish the polar case, and we're going to look at finishing the partial polar case. I know several of you were having questions about this today or couldn't make class because of the various activities at Carlson. So I plan on walking you through a basic line of credit and cash calculation and kind of give you a sense for how we use iterative calculations to do these things. So let's start with a simple line of credit example. So I'm going to just put this on the screen right now, and what we will do is you should have this. Let's go to the line of credit tab that's right here. And you'll notice that I have a balance sheet for 2013 and I have a balance sheet for 2014. What I want to notice is that in 2013 I had a very simple cash plus net PP&E for 130, which was financed by a bank note payable, shareholders equity, and retained earning for 130. I had various amounts on my income statement, and I ended up having 6.96, let's say, million in retained earnings that were added to. There were no dividends. More importantly, let's look at 2014. Okay, so in 2014, I have cash that went negative, 27.39. One of the big reasons is I bought inventory in addition to some other things. I ended up depreciating some of my assets, and then I had a bank note payable, a shareholders equity. Notice retained earnings went up by the amount of my profits this period, so that makes sense. But the bottom line is, if you look at this is what we would expect, right? We would expect that we would have a balance sheet, assets that is equal to liabilities. By the way, I should just add and stockholders equity. My bad. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting to do that. I will also do that over here in my next tab, and I will also do it in this tab here. So we have that straight. Okay, so I have my line of credit, I have my balance sheet. We would want assets to be equal